Okay, today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Huawei Freebuds 5. So it's kind of they took a risk to actually design something like this. It looked like it kind of had that egg shape. So that's the shape of the earbud. Let me put it on the side now. Let's get in the box. So they include the ear tips and the manual, then charging cable is there. And now let's open the earbuds itself. The color, the kind of color they went for is good. You can see it's quite pleasing. It's not white, so I like this color better than the white version. So now you need to connect it. What you're gonna connect? You're gonna download the Huawei AI Live app, so you can connect it, and then you can see the EQ. You can check the EQ, and all those things. You can see a lot. There's a lot of information on the AI Live app, so you should download that. Once you download it, you have to let it update. So you have to let the update run through. So once it's done, then you can just move forward and then start listening to your earbuds. So now let me just test it quick to see how it sound like in terms of like the sound quality. So let's play some music on YouTube and then other platform as well to see. But let me stick to YouTube at the moment. Let's listen to something. And also I'm playing on Huawei phone, so you should give me some good sound, But let's see. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. It just sounds so flat. It's like there's no like bass to it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not bashing it, but it's just like. So I don't know. It's just like I don't know. It's a bit weird, but I love Huawei product. I have a lot of Huawei products. Yeah, but this one is not. I tweak few, EQ, change the settings a little bit, but still, I don't know. Listen, I listened to it, but this one, the sound quality. For some people, it will work perfectly fine, but I mean, I'll let this one run. I'll let it go. Yeah, for me, the sound quality is not there. They kind of take the risk to design something different and something new, but the sound quality, they need maybe some update or something, and that will kind of adjust it a little bit. But at the moment, for me, nah, it's not for me. Anyway, this is the quick unboxing, and I hope you like the video. If you do, feel free to subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao, ciao.